guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another Ipsy unbagging for y'all today for July of 2020. I also want to do a little bit of a story time, kind of share my thoughts on what's going on in this crazy world we have these days. So if you're interested in hearing all about that, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new here, thanks so much for clicking on this video. I'm a full-time working mom, and in my spare time I really do enjoy making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience and journey on Poshmark. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting, please consider checking out my other videos, and please subscribe, hitting the link down below. I'd really appreciate your support as I try to grow this channel. Okay, so I wanted to share a little bit of thoughts in terms of where I am in my life and my family, in case you're interested at all, because I think a lot of you are going through similar things. And then I'll just do a quick Ipsy unbagging as well, in case you're interested in seeing that too. So, of course, we are in, gosh, I don't know what month this is of the pandemic. Things are still just crazy, and at least here in Northern California, there's a lot of debate on whether or not schools should open. I think that's true across the country as well. I think no matter what side you're on, it's just been a very stressful time, not knowing where your kids are going to be in the fall, how safe they're going to be, and really what the world is going to look like. You know, and in the meantime, I'm still struggling having to go to work full time. If you're not watching my channel for very long so far, I do work as a clinical oncologist at a pretty big cancer center. So we do have a large volume of patients. I think a lot of patients, of course, have a ton of anxiety going into treatment in this kind of era. And that anxiety really translates over to caregivers and providers as well. So it's really a rough time, I think, for everybody. And I know a lot of you are in similar or even more stressful situations than I am. But I just wanted to share with you guys that I think these videos hopefully are helpful for you as you try to find some kind of distraction. I know for me, I love watching YouTube videos, so I'm going to keep trying to do these as much as possible. And I hope you find them kind of fun and lighthearted videos as well. But I definitely do want to recognize how tough things are out there as well, and that we're all kind of going through this. I know that we're going to get through this together, but it's definitely a challenging time, and it's hard to think back where we were, you know, even 6 months ago, and how things really have changed, and knowing that it's probably never going to go back to exactly the way it used to be. You know, that's really rough, and I think part of why I'm reflecting so much again on this is we were hoping to go on a really huge Disney vacation. Even this week was our original plan. We had everything planned. I had 2 weeks off of work, and we were going to go take the whole family on a huge dream Disney vacation over in Florida. But of course, all those dreams were shattered over the past few months. So just thinking back where I would have been today, which would have been on vacation if this pandemic didn't hit, it does, you know, weigh on your heart a little bit. It make you a little bit sad and long for kind of what life used to be. So I'm going to stop rambling on these things. I just definitely want to recognize how hard it is for everyone out there, and that we're all kind of going through a lot of tough stuff these days, and that, you know, we just got to plug along, take it day by day. We'll make adjustments to our life. It's definitely worth it to keep everyone that you love and people you don't even know safe and healthy. So thanks for listening to my little rant here about what's been going on and kind of my feelings these days. I hope you and your family are staying safe and healthy, and again, you know, we will power through this. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into this Ipsy unbagging, which sounds like a huge kind of jump in terms of topic, but like I said, these videos I think are essential. You need to have some kind of outlet for enjoyment these days, a little hobby, and that's my hobby, at least, doing these videos. And also I think it's just fun to watch these too and kind of get your mind off of the heaviness that's around us these days. So I hope you enjoy these videos. This one is just going to be a quick one. My Ipsy bags are always quick unboxings, just a little quick several minute video for you. But if you're not aware of Ipsy, it's a monthly subscription service, and you get a really fun glam bag like this every month, and you get to try out some cool new products. Most of them are trial sizes, although sometimes you do get occasional full-size products as well. So it's just kind of a fun little pick-me-up. To be honest, I haven't been all that thrilled with my Ipsy bags these days, so at some point I may try to stop the subscription, but for now I'm just going to keep going for a little bit longer and see how things go. Okay, I'm just going to unbag this here for you and see what this month's bag looks like. And again, I don't know, cute. I don't remember what's really in here at all, but This is really fun. So as I just said, I'm sad that I can't go on vacation anymore, but this is a little kind of mini vacation bag, so that's a little pick-me-up. It says escape, and there's a little airplane on the little zipper pull, as you can see there. So that's really cute. I love this, and it feels like a wipeable kind of plasticky type of material, which is perfect for going to the beach. So as I said earlier, we will not be going on our dream Disney vacation, unfortunately, this year, but our family did plan a little bit of a getaway just for about a few days or so. I think the only safe kind of vacations, at least in my opinion right now in this area, are vacations where, of course, you're just isolating with the family, the members that you live with, and then also a kind of an open, airy, self-contained type of cabin or beach house or something like that, where you can wipe everything down, other people aren't going in and out of your living space, and it's very aerated. So we did decide to go to the coast and have a really nice, hopefully family fun beach vacation. And it's a resort, however, there are little bungalows or houses that you can rent right on the beach. So we're just gonna do one of those, open all the windows up, let everything aerate, and I hope we have a good time. The kids are definitely looking forward to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this with me. I think it'll be really fun, pick me up. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got. So it came with this cardigan here, and it tells you about the service. It tells you, ironically, about a staycation. So everyone's thinking about these things on their mind these days, and it kind of tells you about the fun things to do at home for your vacation. Little spa experience. So as I said before, I used to like how the cards inserts here would tell us about the products, but they don't recently, so it'd be nice if they brought that back actually. All right, well, I do like these. In fact, I have one right here on my vanity. Let me show you. So I got this in a previous Ipsy bag. It's these hemp lotions. So here's a pomegranate one that I got before. I just had it sitting there. I had no idea I was getting this one. My daughter loves this, so she uses this as a lotion. And then this one looks like another one. It's pure herbal extracts, citrine, crystal, and quartz. It's just a moisturizer, and it's called Positive Body and Soul, which is something we definitely could use in this time. So that's what it looks like. So I do like these lotions. I think they're really nice. The fragrances are really nice. And this one smells really nice too. It's a body lotion. It's not very thick. It's kind of a lighter texture. So it's not great for hand creams, I think, in general, but it's good just for the body. And I love traveling with these things. And again, my daughter just loved this. So I'm happy I got this one here. And then this next thing, something wrapped. And it says here, Space Case Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow. It's a cute container. It says gold base, it's what it says. That's what that looks like. And let's see how this looks. So, ooh, that's pretty. Space case. I like the packaging, it's cute. See that there? And then just kind of a pot of eyeshadow. Ooh, that's pretty. Probably will use this actually. It's kind of my thing. I like a little bit of shine, and this gold neutral color is really pretty. That's what that looks like. Let me swatch it a little bit here. It may be hard to see, but that's what I like. It's kind of a very subtle but gold sheen there. You can see that there, but that's what it looks like. So that's kind of fun. It's really metallic looking, and I think it'll go well with some of the other shadows I have. So that's really pretty shadow from Space Case. I haven't heard that brand before, so I want to definitely try to check it out. But I think it's a nice one. That's a pretty good size of eyeshadow as well. So yeah, I'm liking that. All right, the next thing here is Libido Pomegranate Peel, Orange Blossom and Carrot Hydrating Facial Cleanser. And this is made in Israel, which is kind of cool. So I think you just apply like a typical cleanser and then wipe it off. And yeah, it seems to have some kind of facial properties as well. This is a pretty nice sounding item. I don't use a lot of these kind of mini cleansers in general because, of course, like a lot of people, I think you get into your own routine of skincare, and I don't deviate too much from my cleanser. I love my Purity Made Simple from Philosophy. So yeah, I'm not sure how much I'll use this, but I'm going to give it a try and see how it goes. Okay, I just have 2 more products here. And one of them, let's see this one next, is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I think I have another smaller version of this in Trooper Black. It's a waterproof liquid liner. So I'm excited about this. I do use liner every single day, and I don't use liquid liners too much because I'm nervous about making a good enough line, but I'm gonna try this one out. I've heard really good things about her line, so I wanna see how it goes. Let me try to do a little line here for you. Yeah, it does go on pretty smoothly. I am still nervous because my hand gets shaky when I do these eyeliners, just because I'm nervous it's not gonna go on right. So I did a few lines here for you, but that's what it looks like. So it's really well pigmented, I think, which is cool. But yeah, I'm not certain how well I'm gonna be able to line my eye with these things. So I'm gonna try it. I do like a pretty thick line too, so I'm not sure how easy that'll be to get with this, but I will try it, that's for sure. So, okay, not bad, tattoo liner. And then my product that I picked this month, and again, you get to select one product in your bag every month now that you know you're gonna get, and it was this lip liner because I wanted to check it out. So it's from Thrive Cosmetics. It's a lip fuller lip liner. It's supposed to make your lip look fuller. It's a built-in primer as well. It's in the color Gislin, and the color is called Plum Mauve. So here's what the packaging looks like. And let's see what it looks like. And this looks like a really good size, if not full size, which is nice. And yeah, that's a pretty good size liner. So it's a really pretty colors in terms of the packaging. But let's see how it looks. Oh, this is pretty. I like this color a lot. But yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. This looks really pretty, if you can see here. I really like that color. I think it'll go well with a lot of my lipsticks that I have. It's a good combo. So hopefully you can see that there. So that's really, really pretty. So I'm happy with this. This is the one I selected. I don't really have a lot of lip liners, but I know that I need to use them more often. For instance, I didn't even use one today. I just get lazy, to be honest with you, but I really like this color, so I'm gonna try to use lip liners more. That's one thing that's on my goals for this year, and I'll try this one out. Let's see how it looks. All right, so that's a cool lip liner. Okay, and that is it. Those are my 5 products this month, and the bag is now empty, as you can see. But this is a really fun bag. I really like this for the summertime. All right, so let me know again what you got in your Ipsy bag this month. I think this month my items are pretty good. I'll probably use a good 3 products out of that maybe. And that's typical for every month for me. I definitely don't love all the products, but I did get some good ones this month. So yeah, I'm pleased with it, that's for sure. So if you have any awesome products you think I need to check out from Ipsy or any other beauty products, please let me know in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you all about things you get as well. Otherwise, I really hope you're staying safe and healthy and enjoying your summer as much as you can, and try to plan a staycation, even if it's just in your backyard. I think it really, really helps kind of get through these tough times. So I will let you know how our vacation goes in upcoming videos. And I thank you so, so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Take care. Bye.